To a victim if you let it. It was written that my niggas would be prison, don't forget it. We coming for our cut, tell Reagan that I said it. We coming for our cut, tell Bush that I said it. We coming for our cut, tell Obama that I said it. We coming for our cut, tell Trump that I said it.
Revolution.
Like you scared to say it or you afraid that it will happen.
It's hard to keep calm with the message. Honestly, armed with the weapon, whip up the cane for collection. Some pray for protection, me, I'm just chasing perfection. A lead in my section, the cause of correction. With all of reflection, once I had lit up the potion, out came the rest and the roaches. Might cause a commotion, no cross promotion. Look, good dope gon' sell itself. Make sure you sellin' stealth. Make sure you sell for self, then you gon' spread the wealth. Drop the Yola, then you hit it with the soda. On the road, doing shows, no promoter. On the whole, all I'm lacking is exposure. Phone pots and pennies in my city, plenty loafers. I swear to God, just the closest you gon' get to my intent. This knowledge I do permit, some honestly do forget. Reminders, if you weak, don't mind us. But if you great, assimilate and come find us. Standing in the mist, I never made a wish. I learned to turn my thoughts into things that exist. I learned to snatch a pistol out a holster of a bitch. I learned that all my niggas really need is leadership. I'm learning how to do it, I'm learning in the ruins. I'm learning why I'm burning that turner on the union. Pour a nigga up, no communion. To bring a nigga up, it's simple evolution. Look, I yearn for revolution. It's the only resolution. I said I yearn for revolution. It's the only true solution. This only turn you to a victim if you let it. It was written that my niggas will be risen, don't forget it. We coming for our cut, tell Reagan that I said it. We coming for our cut, tell Bush that I said it. We coming for our cut, tell Obama that I said it. We coming for our cut, tell Trump that I said it. The system only turn you to a victim if you let it. It was written that my niggas will be risen, don't forget it. Highly light in the midst of frightin', I commence the fighting. I'm at the brighten in the dark when they don't share the lighting. Do that shit, summarize the struggle. In the huddle where we shuffle, third I just ain't a budget. My aim a lot better since I nail filed the muzzle. Black ink upon the knuckles since the reason that I bust you. No scuffle, rebuttals, lay you on the shovel. It ain't a puzzle, show the muscle in the midst of trouble. Empires do crumble if the pill is weak. Scared niggas do fumble when they hear the feet. Spread knowledge in the jungle where the killers sleep. The God who took the image of a man to come and heal a weak. Look, I did it all in a week, no resting on the Sabbath. They was sleeping, they was dreaming, me, I gotta have it. Much esteem, much extreme, nothing come between. The much is given, much is splitting amongst the team. Overseen the whole scene, sharp as guillotines. I found it in my paradigm, sure no one intervened. I'm so impatient for the chance to put it in the optic. I'm Ice Cube before the move against Khalid Muhammad. I'm Martin in his last speech. I'm Garvey with his flag steep. I'm Fred Hampton on that night before he fell asleep and woke up to the gunfire. The bullets never cease, so it's never peace. The fight never obsolete. The water break concrete. I said the fight never obsolete, cause over time the water break concrete.
Revolution is the solution.